Have you ever felt like a ghost in a conversation? You studied the books, you know the grammar rules, you know I am, you are, he is, but then a native speaker opens their mouth and all you hear is a blur, a fast, messy, confusing wall of sound. You stand there smiling and nodding while your heart sinks because you didn't understand a single word. If that is you, I want you to take a deep breath. It's not your fault. You aren't bad at English. You've just been training the wrong muscle. You've been training your eyes, but English is a language for the ears. Most students try to read English like a book, but native speakers speak English like a song. And today, we're going to learn how to listen to the music. Imagine you're building a house. Your eyes see the bricks, the words like want, to, go, and out. But your ears hear the cement, the way those words stick together. If you only look at the bricks, you will never see the house. This is the invisible wall of fluency. Pre-intermediate learners often feel trapped. You understand your teacher because your teacher speaks clearly. But when you watch a movie or talk to a person on the street, the wall goes up. Why? Because English is a stress-timed language. We don't say every word with the same power. We push some words into the light and we hide other words in the shadows. If you try to hear every single word perfectly, you will fail. Your brain will get tired. You will stop listening and start translating. And the moment you start translating in your head, you have already lost the conversation. To win, we must stop reading with our ears. We must start feeling the rhythm. In English, the most important words are the content words. These are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. The function words like to, a, the, of, for are almost invisible. We say them so fast they change shape. Think about the sentence, I am going to the store. Your eyes see 6 words. Your brain wants to hear 6 words. But a native speaker says, I'm gonna the store. 3 main sounds, that's it. If you are waiting to hear going to the, you will miss store. And store is the only word that actually matters. This is why you feel lost. You are looking for things that aren't there. We are going to fix this today with 5 specific speaking and listening drills. Let's start simple. I'm going to say a sentence. I want you to tell me which words are loud and which words are mumbles. Sentence, I need a cup of coffee. In your head, you see, I need a cup of coffee. But listen to me, I need a cup of coffee. Did you hear that? A and of became tiny. They became a soft sound. Let's practice. I want you to say the loud words only. Need, cup, coffee. Now try to mumble the rest. I need a cup of coffee. Try it with me. 3, 2, 1. I need a cup of coffee. Feel the rhythm? It's like a heartbeat. If you can find the heartbeat, you can find the meaning. You don't need to hear the of. This is the most important rule. Close your eyes. When you see text, your reading brain takes over. Your reading brain is slow. Your listening brain is fast. I'm going to say 3 short phrases. Don't think about how they're spelled, just copy the noise. Person A, what you doing? Person B, nothing much. Notice I didn't say, what are you doing? I said, whatcha. If you look for what are you, you will be confused. But if you just copy the whatcha sound, you are speaking real English. Person A, do you like it? Person B, yeah, I love it. Notice how love it sounds like one word? Love it. This is called linking. It's the secret sauce of fluency. Person A, gotta go. Person B, see you later. If you say, I have got to go, you sound like a robot. Robots don't have friends. People have friends. I want to stop for a second. Look at me. It is okay to be frustrated. It is okay to feel like you are learning slowly. Learning a language is not like learning history or math. You are training your mouth and your ears to work together. Think about a baby. Does a baby read a grammar book before it speaks? No. The baby listens for a year, just listens. Then it starts to hum the tune. Eventually, the words come. You are trying to do the opposite. You are trying to learn the words first, then the music. We're flipping the script. From now on, your ears are the boss. If your eyes see going to, but your ears hear gonna, trust your ears. Your eyes are lying to you, your ears are telling the truth. Now, let's build some muscle memory. Sentence, I should have told him the truth. Step 1. 0.5x speed, slow and clear. Step 2. 1.0x speed, natural. Notice should have becomes should've. Him becomes im. The H disappears. Step 3. 1.5x speed, fast native. I should have told him. That is how native speakers actually talk. If you train your ears to hear told him, you will never be confused again. There are 3 words that native speakers almost never say fully. If you master these, your listening comprehension will jump by 30%. Want to, wanna. Going to, gonna. Have to, hafta. These are not slang. These are the foundations of the English rhythm. Even CEOs and presidents say gonna. You don't need to understand every word to understand the meaning. Native speakers only truly hear about 70%. The other 30% is filled in by our brains. When you hear I, hungry, eat, pizza, your brain knows the person said, I'm hungry, do you want to eat some pizza? You don't need to hear the I'm, the do you, or the some. Stop it. Let the music play. English is an emotional language. We change the music based on how we feel. This is called intonation. Surprised, really? High pitch. Bored or sarcastic, really? Flat, low pitch. Angry or questioning, really? Rising, sharp pitch. The eyes see the same letters, but the ears hear 3 different meanings. You've made it this far, which means you are serious. I call it the 7-day earplug. For the next 7 days, spend 10 minutes a day listening with no subtitles. Do not try to translate. Do not try to write down words. Just listen to the rhythm. Try to hum along with the speaker. In the comments below, type, I am training my ears. This is your promise to yourself. When you type it, you are telling your brain that the library ghost is gone. You are becoming a speaker. A student studies. A speaker communicates. A student worries about have versus has. A speaker says, gotta go, and smiles. You are moving from the world of books into the world of people. It's scary, I know. It feels safer in the library, but there is no life in the library. Life is in the conversation. You have the tools now. You know about stress, you know about reductions, you know about linking. But most importantly, you know that you are allowed to be imperfect. Next time a native talks fast, don't panic. Don't look for the bricks. Listen for the music. You will hear it, I promise. You've got this. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. I'll see you in the next lesson.